Now on the opposite side, we have to establish one of the very first deck anchors. So that's it. I ran out of daylight and I will have to finish another day. See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya. Another day, another pool cover. We are back to finish the cover that we started last week. So let's do it. The drill that I'm using to drill the holes in pavers, in this stone, it's 1 1/8 core drill made by Milwaukee. Switch to this Bosch hammer, and this one is 7/8. That's the size of our aluminum tube. Our aluminum tube, I remove the anchor from inside of it. Then we have this punch that came in a kit. And that's all she wrote. This one is installed. I'm going to pull it with the cover tool. And let's move on to the next one. This is how you do it. Final corner, 2 anchors, everything else is done. It's about to get dark, it's cold. Voila! And that's how you get it done, Viking style. "25 hours later, and this is how you install a swimming pool cover like a pro.